Brough, Joe, just back on the Cowboys. Exciting news, Tommy Dearden and Ruben Cotter. Got a feeling they're going to do a great job as co-captains, guys.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.
All right, we'll stay with us. Livio will tell us why we're having this heat wave just after the break.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, post-cyclone humidity has reached epic levels and many Queensland towns are on the verge of breaking records. Heavy rain should hopefully take the edge off maximum daytime temperatures tomorrow in the south and then eventually in the north later this week. Hot nights have been the real kicker, a direct consequence of the overheated Coral Sea which isn't about to cool down. Cairns started out with a low this morning of 27 degrees. To the satellite loop now, you can see the spiral nature of Curly still over northwest Queensland producing flooding rains. Evacuations are present in the area. In the southeast, it's also starting to fill in with heavy rain. We've got saturated atmosphere to depth. You can feel the moisture. It couldn't be possibly fuller with water. It's already started raining heavy on the Darling Downs, and in the next 12 hours, it'll fill in right across the southeast. Now today's chart, monsoon trough across central Queensland. There's the low that was Kirrily sitting right on top of it. Exceptionally humid winds in the tropics coming from the Arafura Sea and crossing the equator. On tomorrow's chart, we have a new trough forming offshore, producing the uplift required for the heavy rain in southeast Queensland. As the southeasterly pushes north later in the week, we'll get that heavy rain in the tropics as well. To the latest from BOM, boating forecast for Cairns waters north-northwesterlies up to 20 knots tomorrow. That's the monsoon wind, same again on Wednesday. And on Thursday, dropping back to 10 to 15 knots. As we swiftly sail away from Friday's full moon, our tidal peaks are softening. Tomorrow's high tide's expected around late morning to lunchtime, and it's not that big. North tropical coast and tablelands, the heat wave warning persists. Showers with possible storms tomorrow. Cairns 27 to 35 degrees, Atherton 31, Innisfail 34, Mareeba 33. Looking ahead for Cairns, increasing rainfall during the second half of this week may take the edge off our top temperatures, but sadly there's no relief in sight to these disgustingly hot, humid nights. For Atherton, it's the same. The temperatures are a bit more mellow, but as you can see, nights are still way too warm for this time of year. We all know it's been a hot summer, but why does humidity make the heat so much worse? Thing is, you sweat just as much in dry heat, but your sweat evaporates before you even realise it. Evaporation helps carry heat away from your body and keep the skin cool. But on humid days, the air's so saturated it can't evaporate. You sweat properly. It's like trying to dry a towel in a damp closet. Perspiration just sticks to your skin and the body has no way of cooling itself. Hope that makes sense, and I hope the heat passes soon. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, and we'll catch you tomorrow night.
And also just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night.
Good night.